not. But dash it all, you can't pull it out by the roots. I say, can't you take a joke? Hello, lads.
You've got to go back to San Francisco.
Straight orders from your private Helena. Oh, no, Mr. Davis. Your God and me could never be shipmates. And the next time you talk to him, you can tell him this for me, that Sadie Thompson is on her way to hell.
Stop! This has gone far enough.
Oh, no, it hasn't gone far enough. You've been telling me what's wrong with me. Now I'm going to tell you what's wrong with you. You keep yelling at me to be punished, to go back and suffer. How do you know what I've suffered? You don't know, you don't care, and you don't even ask, and you call yourself a Christian. Why, you're nothing but a miserable witch burner, that's what you are. You believe in torture.
Thy kingdom come.
You know you're big, and you know you're strong, and you got the law on your side and the power to hang me. All right. But I've got the power to stand here and say, you hang me and be damned to you.
Trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. O Lord, hear thou my prayers for this lost sister. Close thy ears to a wild and heedless word. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Good night. Good night.
Everything goeth, everything returneth. So rolleth the wheel of existence. Everything dieth, everything blossometh forth again. So runneth the year of existence. Ah, thus spake Zarathustra.
I hope I'll be strong enough to go through with it right.
From now on, you will be strong. There's to be no more fear. Radiant, beautiful. You'll be one of the daughters of the king. That's what you are now, Sadie. One of the daughters of the king. Radiant, beautiful.
I think I'll go now. Try and get some sleep.
Thompson,
Yeah? What is it?
let me in. It's Horn.
Oh, no, you don't. Stay where you are. Be out in a minute.
It's very important, Miss Thompson.
Okay, coming right out. Hello, Horn. What's going on? Hello, handsome. What are you doing up so early?
Sadie.
Surprised to see me all dolled up, huh? Well, why not? I had to put on my best this gay and glorious morning, didn't I? Besides, I'm radiant, beautiful. You didn't know that, did you? Hardly believe my eyes when I saw that sun this morning. Do I feel fine? I do. I'd race you down to the beach if it wasn't for these pesky heels.
Sadie, turn off that phonograph.
Why?
They'll be back any minute.
Who?
Mrs. Davidson.
And why should I turn off the phonograph? Because Mrs. Davidson's coming back? I'm not concerned with what Mrs. Davidson thinks, or for that matter with what Mr. Davidson thinks. My advice to him is to pin on his wings and try the air.
Joe, turn off that phonograph.
Stay out of my room, Joe. That phonograph stays on.
Sadie, something has happened.
You bet something's happened. You men. Pigs.
Sadie, Davidson's killed himself.
What?
They found him on the beach this morning with his throat cut.
Killed himself. Then I can forgive him. I thought the joke was all on me. But I see it wasn't. Joe, please. No offense to you and that last crack I made, handsome.
Oh, that's all right.
I'm going to Sydney with you, if the invitation still holds good. Let's go.